Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. Today I refilmed this look. I did it like a week or so ago and tried to film it and it was just all out of focus. So today I refilmed it and fingers crossed it's all in focus. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this Cosmo and Wanda kind of look, just keep watching. I'm going to start by taking Tiila from my Sephora Pro editorial palette and I'm going to put that right in my crease and start blending it out. Next I'm taking the shade Jeffery, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on this eye. Because that green doesn't show up as vibrant as I'd like, I'm going to take this green shade from my SUGARPILL Pro palette. I can't remember the name of that, but I will have it linked below for you guys. Next I'm going to go into my kaleidoscope palette from Urban Decay. I'm going to take Spitfire and Limecrime. I'm just taking a flat brush and spraying it with some Fix Plus and packing on Spitfire, and then we're going to put that all over our lid. I'm just going to go back in with that blending brush and make sure there's no harsh edges. Now I'm going in with Limecrime. So next I'm going to be using my glitterari palette from BLEACH London. I'm going to take the Big Pink and Sea Punk. I'm going to put down a little bit of glitter glue just to make sure it sticks really well. And I'm just going to apply that with my finger. I'm just going to go around the edges and take off some of that glitter. Now I'm taking some of that shade Jeffery and then I'm going to go back in with the SUGARPILL shade. I'm going to take some of that Limecrime shade from the Urban Decay palette and see if I can make this pop just a little bit more. To highlight today, I want to try out a new highlighter. This is Ofra's Pillow Talk. It's super light, but it has like a slight pinkish hue to it and it looks super pretty. It doesn't actually show up that pink, which is kind of surprising, but it is really pretty. So I'm going to highlight with my Habana blush from NABLA Cosmetics. I'm going to throw on some brow gel. This is my Anastasia clear brow gel. Now I'm going to use their tinted brow gel. And lastly, my EYEKO brow gel. I'm going to use my current favorite mascara, the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. And today I'm going to wear my Giselle lashes from HUDA BEAUTY. Alright guys, I can't find Nude Potion from Over Cosmetics. That's what I originally wore in the photo. So I'm going to wear Rosebud from LIMECRIME instead. This is one of their plushies. But first, I'm going to line my lips using MAC Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Oak. Alright guys, well this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos, which I'm trying to do like twice a week now. So yeah, if you want to be notified when I post new videos, click the little bell below and it'll notify you. Don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. I have it on the screen somewhere right here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!